Hello, teams. I hope you're doing well in the course. I'm excited to go over Module 6 with you. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are, Module 6. The anticipated work days are September 6th through 8th. Of course, you can start earlier if you like. And the estimated work time is about 3.5 hours. It may take a little longer. Let me know if it is longer than that, only because we've changed this course, and you are the pilot for this course, and we need to just make sure that it is actually 3.5 hours. It could be a bit longer, but it probably will not be less than 3.5 hours. All right, the overview and objectives of the course are here, so you can see how the content aligns with our learning objectives for the modules and the course module and the module level objectives. Okay, so now for our resources in this course, please have the project manager download Office 365. This is important because you may be working in a shared document, but one person needs to have Office 365 on your computer, not in the cloud. And this will give you instructions how to download it and save it on your computer. And that way you have it there saved. And then you can add content to that rather than downloading a shared document and then submitting it, because then the formatting will become array. All right, so please follow those instructions. Now this requires APA guidelines. We have a very nice video here on how to set up APA 7th edition. And below the guidelines, the video, there are additional links to help you with additional resources on how to cite and reference in APA. We have the case study report. There are instructions in here, and I go over that in the draft introduction section, as well as I go over the instructions how to conduct the interview in that lecture for the draft introduction. And so I think you'll find that helpful. But go ahead and download that, hold that on to your computer so you can see what needs to be done. Then for the assignments, we have the team charter assignment. This looks rather lengthy, but it has all the roles for each member of the team and what they'll are responsible for. And I do have a lecture associated with that, so that makes it a little bit easier for you to understand what needs to be done there. If you have any questions on any of this, please reach out to me through Canvas inbox. I'm happy to have a Zoom meeting or a phone call or whatever you'd like. Okay, so now the draft introduction section is here with a lecture, and then the team check-in percentage. Now, this is important because each team member will be graded on your participation for each draft. And the team leader will be the person who will manage that and will be aware of the percentage of participation for each team member. So please go ahead and do your part and be a good team member. All right, that's it for Module 6. So I'm very happy to help you in any way that I can, and I'm hoping you enjoy this Module 6 section. If you have any suggestions for improvement or if there's anything that's unclear, please let me know. Thank you so much.